Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, viewers, and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulam Hussain Bhatti Chemistry Channel. The topic of today's discussion is ionization energy. It is inorganic chemistry second year class. Now, first of all, board paper question point of view, it's extremely important long question. Define ionization energy. On what factors ionization energy depends? Give its periodic trend. It was the question of Sargodha Board 2016, Azad Jammu and Kashmir 2017, DG Khan Board 2018, Gujranwala Board 2018, Lahore Board 2005 and 2013, Faisalabad Board 2013, Rawalpindi Board 2005 and Multan Board 2008. So it means that it is very important long question. स्टूडेंट जो है इसको इजी लेते हैं कि इजी टॉपिक है, छोड़ दें, ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. बाज़ औक़ात इजी टॉपिक्स जो है वो ज़्यादा आते हैं बोर्ड के अंदर. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू बोर्ड पेपर्स. हाउ डज आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी वेरी अक्रॉस अ पीरियड? I will explain. It was there in the board paper, Bahawalpur Board 2015. Another question, short question. Give the reason that ionization energy decreases down the group. Azad Jammu and Kashmir Board 2016, Sargodha Board 2018. Similarly, another short question. What is the role of shielding effect on ionization energy? Bahawalpur Board 2018. I will explain over here. And now the last short question is, why ionization energy decreases down the group and increases along the period? It was there in the Multan Board 2015. My dear students, I will teach you as per according to board paper point of view, as I am head examiner chemistry of Rawalpindi Board. Ionization energy, or it is also called ionization potential. Now, what are the necessary conditions for ionization energy? Atom should be isolated in gaseous state. Number 2, remove one electron from the valence shell to form an ion, that is cation. Minimum energy will be required. That energy which will be used to excite the electron, to remove the electron, is called ionization energy. Now, my dear student, first of all, what is the definition of ionization energy? It is the minimum amount of energy required to remove one electron from the valence shell of an isolated atom in its gaseous state to form its ion is called ionization energy. In case of sodium, let us take the example of sodium. When we remove one electron from sodium atom, sodium has 11 electrons. So, it in the first shell 2 electron, in the second shell 8 electron, and in the third shell there will be 1 electron. One valence electron, when we remove that electron, then sodium ion will be produced, cation is produced, and 496 kilojoule per mole energy will be required for the removal of 1 electron from sodium. That energy is called ionization energy. Now, what are the units of ionization energy? Kilojoule per mole, or kilocalorie per mole, or electron volt. Now, my dear students, I will tell you there are higher ionization energy. Let us take the example, a different example, magnesium. When we remove 1 electron from the magnesium, then Mg plus 1 will be produced, delta H1, 738 kilojoule per mole. In the case of second shell, when we remove second electron from the magnesium, from magnesium ion, then Mg plus 2 ion will be produced, and its delta H2, it will be equal to 1451 kilojoule per mole. When we remove the third electron from Mg plus 2, then Mg3 plus will be produced, and its ionization energy will be 7730 kilojoule per mole. It means that third ionization energy is higher than second ionization energy, and second ionization energy is greater than first ionization energy. It is also an important short question. Why third ionization energy is greater than second and second is greater than first ionization energy? What are the reasons behind? Let me explain. Reasons number one. What are the reasons for this? When cation is formed after the removal of electron from magnesium, then size of magnesium will become smaller because one electron will be removed. My dear students, its size will become, when one electron will be produced, its size is greater size, but its size will be small. And so in the case of Mg+1 nucleus, due to smaller size, the attraction of nucleus toward the valence shell electron increases. Therefore, it is difficult to remove the second electron from Mg plus ion. So 1451 kilojoule per mole energy will be required. But when Mg+2 will be formed and we want to remove the third electron from the magnesium, when magnesium Mg+2 is produced, then magnesium+2 is very stable. Magnesium is present in alkaline earth metals group 2A, and they have the ability to lose 2 electrons only. But if we want to remove the third electron, then we need much higher amount of energy. A huge amount of energy will be required, that is 7730 kilojoule per mole, and it is very difficult to remove the third electron because at that time magnesium will attain the stable electronic configuration. Therefore, these are the reasons why third ionization energy will be greater than second and second will be greater than first one, because of nuclear attraction increases and size of atom becomes smaller and smaller. Now, my dear students, there are different factors which affect on ionization energy. Basically, there are 5 factors which affect the ionization energy. Number 1, size. Ionization energy is inversely proportional to size. If size increases, ionization energy decreases. Number 2, number of shells. Ionization energy is inversely proportional to number of shells. If ionization energy increases, then number of shell will be decreases. Now, the shielding effect is also inversely proportional to ionization energy. If ionization energy increases, then shielding effect decreases. Hence, nucleus charge. If nucleus charge increases, then size will decrease. If size is less, then ionization energy will be increases. And number 5, stable electronic configuration. Those elements which have stable electronic configuration have higher ionization energy. Therefore, ionization energy will be directly proportional to stable electronic configuration. My dear students, now the trend of ionization energy in the periodic table. First one in the groups. Dear students, I have already told you that ionization energy is inversely proportional to size. If size decreases, then ionization energy increases. If size increases, then ionization energy decreases. When we move from top to bottom in a group, ionization energy decreases because size of atom increases. ये देखें, टॉप टू बॉटम इन ग्रुप जा रहे हैं, ऊपर क्रिकेट बॉल है, नीचे फुटबॉल है, साइज इंक्रीज हो रहा है. रीजंस, नंबर 1, number of shell increases. Number 2, shielding effect increases. Therefore, ionization energy decreases from top to bottom in a group. Now, in a period, when we move from left to right in a period, ionization energy increases because shielding effect remains constant. But when we move from left to right in a period, size decreases. If size decreases, then ionization energy will increase because ionization energy and size are inversely proportional to each other. ये देखें, ये क्रिकेट बॉल है, ये टेनिस बॉल है. लेफ्ट टू राइट साइज क्या कर रहा है? साइज डिक्रीज कर रहा है. So therefore, ionization energy increases, nuclear charge increases, number of proton increases, and atomic number also increases in a period. Now the trend of ionization energy along the period, when we move from left to right in a period, ionization energy increases. There are different reasons, because I have already told you that ionization energy is inversely proportional to size. If size increases, then ionization energy will be decreased. If size decrease, then ionization energy increases. When we move from left to right in a period, ये देखें, ये टेनिस बॉल है, ये क्रिकेट बॉल है, ये टेनिस बॉल है, ये लेफ्ट टू राइट साइज डिक्रीज हो रहा है. देयर आर डिफरेंट रीजंस, बिकॉज shielding effect will remain constant in a period. No new shell will be formed in a period. Therefore, shielding effect and periods remain constant. Nuclear charge increases as in the nucleus, number of proton increases, and definitely atomic number also increases, and attraction of nucleus toward the valence shell electron also increases. Therefore, size of atom will be decreased, and we can say that ionization energy increases across the period when we move from left to right. Now the trend of ionization energy in case of noble gases, my dear students, noble gases are present on the extreme right side of the periodic table. So noble gases have very high ionization energy values as their octets are completed. And they have very high ionization energy values, and noble gases have stable electronic configurations. Therefore, their ionization energy value will be high. This is all about ionization energy, its factors, and its trend in the periodic table. I hope that your concepts related to ionization energy, which is very important, long question and short question according to board paper point of view, have been cleared. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends.